Sanitation is very important in the rabbitry. Rabbits are very susceptible to health problems caused by ammonia vapors and excess humidity from a buildup of manure and urine. For these reasons it is important to keep your rabbitry clean. Clean the feeding and watering equipment daily. Clean the hutches and cages at least once a week. Cages should be brushed with a wire brush and disinfectant to remove urine and droppings. Use a vacuum or a stiff bristle brush to remove loose fur on cages and other equipment before it becomes a problem. A mixture of vinegar and water may be used to remove calcium carbonate deposits from urine, which build up on cage wire as a white coating. If you use bedding, such as straw, soiled bedding should be removed daily and replaced with fresh bedding. Sweep out and dispose of all accumulated droppings and urine on the barn floor several times per week. If your hutch or cage is outdoors, you may only need to do this every few months. Sanitize the equipment with chlorine bleach whenever your rabbit has had health problems or if you obtain second-hand equipment. Concrete floors should be scrubbed with a disinfectant as often as possible. Clean and check the ventilation system on a regular basis to be sure that airflow is not reduced by dirt and debris buildup.